Hi everybody. Trying to be quiet because it's really late or really early depending how you look at it. But I thought I would do a late night video. Anyways, I was at the store today. I opened up another box today. It really had not very much in it, so I'm not going to put you guys through that video. There was like one hit in the 4-packs. It was like an Iron Valiant box. It's not worth watching. It's really not. So hopefully this one is. I found some Crown Zenith tins. I have not opened these in a minute, so I'm going to crack this open. Where is something to open it with? I got keys. So, some of you know, the Crown Zenith is the first set that we really started to collect. We bought some stuff for the kids before that, but Crown Zenith was the one that I started to open and got sucked in because the hit rates were pretty decent. It was the ETBs. That's what I got for the most part. Sorry, my hair, I can't stand it. I suppose I could have just paused the video. There we go. There we go. So, I'm probably going to give this promo to Brinley. And, yeah. What am I hoping from this set? There's one gold card that I still need an extra copy of. And the Glaceon, the Leafeon. And I really want... I wouldn't mind another Mewtwo. But that's like the last thing I want out of the ones I just mentioned. Because I already got an extra one of those. Or of that. So tired. Let's see what we got here. It's probably... Well, who knows what's in here. There could be something. There might be nothing. I don't remember if I have all the code cards for... Oh, I do have all the code cards. So if you want the code card, there you go. Do the code or the trick. Let's see if we get anything. Or if it's just a bunch of duds. I would imagine it's not, because it's Crown Zenith. It's the first time I've seen Crown Zenith in a while in the store. So... Grubbin and... Oh well, that's the first pack. Get it out of the way. Get the dead out of the way. And then let's bring all the good ones. There you go. Let me know what you get out of that. Sorry, I'm not even showing my hands because the view is not the best. Tangela. Baltoy. Meowth. Whalmer. Shinx. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, not bad. Hey. I think this is one that Brinley might have thrown into a glass of water. I left my cards on the table once, and I came around, and this one was in the water. So not a bad hit from a tin. I'll take it. Yeah. Yeah, she did. She totally did it. I've learned my lesson since then. Don't have water around the cards. Thankfully, it wasn't like the Giratina or anything. Alright. Sorry, we got the shadows, not the best. Matang, oops. Diganduo, Purloin, Skrelp, Helioptile, Wooloo, Shinx, dry, whatever. And oh, what? Really? Meh. How many of you just yawned? You know, yawning's contagious. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. This video is kind of turning out to be bleh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got water energy. Ultra Ball. Whatever. Purloin. Reading backwards not easy. Ludvisk. Chatot. Yum. Pawnar. Whatever. Shinx. And another nothing. Maybe we should not buy these tins. I did buy 2. So, too late. Let's pack magic. That'd be nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Do we have an awesome hit? I hope so. I hope so. Graveler. Pokemon Catcher. Riolu. Starly. Skyler. Emolga. We got Yungoos. Galarian Berserker and nothing. So that's that. I hope you all have a great day, great evening, afternoon, morning, breakfast, brunch, whatever time it is wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and come check us out tonight, because it is Saturday now. Momma Spocat's going to be doing some versus system card game stuff. So, yeah. Have a great one. Catch you soon. Bye for now. That's the hit. The single hit from a set like Crown Zenith. That should be better. Even in a tin. Bye.